Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Ngayon po ay pag-uusapan natin ang about sa drug trafficking and uplands. Disclaimer lamang po, ang video ito ay for educational purposes only. What is drug trafficking? Drug trafficking is selling, transporting, or importing illegal drugs. Another name for this crime is drug distribution. Drug trafficking is a federal crime. The laws are decided by Congress and applied to the entire nation. A felony crime require very serious penalties or prison time, not the same as drug possession. Drug distribution or trafficking laws are determined by federal laws. They penalize the selling, transportation, and illegal import of unlawful controlled substances such as marijuana, cocaine, heroin, methamphetamines, and other illegal drugs. The punishment for drug trafficking can vary widely depending on several factors, including the type and quantity of drugs involved, geographic area of distribution, and whether children were targeted. Sentences for drug distribution and trafficking can generally range from 3 to 5 years to life in prison, but can be substantially higher when larger quantities are involved. Drug trafficking or distribution is a felony and is a more serious crime than drugs possession. If you're found in possession of drugs, you could be charged with trafficking if police believe you intended to sell them. If you're found with a large quantity of drugs or cash at the time of your arrest, it is likely you'll be facing drug distribution charges. Drug distribution or trafficking also applies to the illegal distribution of prescription drugs such as painkillers or sleeping pills. The illegal distribution of prescription drugs often involves hydrocodone drugs and pharmaceutical opiates. Trafficking charges, both federal and state laws, come into play on drug trafficking cases. If a person is caught trafficking a controlled substance across state lines, federal law will apply. If the drug trafficking is entirely within one state, that state's laws will apply.
Onsehan sa droga ang tinitingnang motibo ngayon ng PNP sa pananampang sa Imus, Cavite kagabi. Kabilang kasi sa mga biktima ay ang misis ng tinutulong notorious na drug pusher. Naka-aresto lang din ilang minuto lang bago ang pananambang.
The drugs. Authorities recently discovered several packages of cocaine worth almost 500 million pesos floating in the President Duterte has warned of harsher war on drugs in the coming days as he vowed to finish the country's drug problem before the end of his term.
I think I'd be more, harsher in the days to come. And I'm putting notice to everybody. I will not allow my country to be destroyed with drugs. I will not allow my country to end up a failed state because of drugs.
What is upland? Uplands are programs that are implemented by the government to fight against drug abuse and other illegal activities. And these are the following. Number 1. Upland Thunderbolt 1. Operation to create impact to the underworld. Number 2. Upland Thunderbolt 2. Operation to neutralize suspected illegal drug laboratories. Upland Thunderbolt 3. Operation for neutralization of big-time drug pushers, drug dealers, and drug lords. Upland Iceberg. Special Operations Team in selected drug-prone areas in order to get rid of illegal drug activities in the area. Upland Hunter. Operation against suspected military and police personnel who are engaged in illegal drug activities. Oplan Mercurion. Operation against drugstore which are violating existing regulation on the scale of regulated drug in coordination with DDB, DOH, BFAD. Oplan Tornado. Operations in drug notorious and high-profile places. Oplan Green Gold. Nationwide MG eradication operations in coordination with the local governments and NGOs. Oplan Sagip Higit, a civic program initiated by NGOs and local governments. Offices to help eradicate drug syndicates involving street children as drug conduit. Oplan Banat, the newest operational plan against drug abuse, focused in the barangay level in cooperation with the barangay officials. Oplan Athena, operation conducted to neutralize the 14 King, the Bamboo Gang, and the other local organized crimes groups involved in illegal drug trafficking. Oplan Cyclops, operation against Chinese triad members involved in illegal drug operations, particularly methamphetamine hydrochloride.
Hindi po.
Hindi po.
Never.
Hindi po.
Hindi mo naman siya kailangan subukan para malaman kung masama ba siya talaga.
Ang dami nang nasirang buhay dahil to.
Marami pa akong pangarap sa buhay na gusto ko to pa rin lahat.
Sa akin, wala talagang magandang maidudulot yan.
When I was young, I was taught that drugs were bad.
It's easy to say no pag alam mong masama.
Pag ginawa mo yun, hindi lang naman yung sarili mo yung sinasaktan mo eh. Hindi pati yung pamilya mo.
Protektahan nila yung sarili nila, sila mismo lumayo dun sa tukso ng droga.
Wag. Wag.
Wag.
Wag. Wag.
Wag.
Iwasan mo ang droga, huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo at sa huli ang bayan mo.